Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is October the 15th, 2020, and we're going to be harvesting some carrots today out of the veggie trough. Now, this here was fed with Sea Magic, and we have a cosmic purple carrot here, and this is a short and sweet carrot here, and we're going to be taking some of these out today. Now, this one here, we're actually going to have to dig it out, so we'll be right back. And this was also fed with bone meal, so we're getting this out here. Now we're using oh wow, that one went a 3-header there. We're digging these out of the soil here. Some of them are that large that they want to break off for us. So we're going ahead here and just using some garden tools to get them out so they don't break off. That was a little one there.
These are stubbies.
Yeah, the short and sweets. So this is all we're taking out for right now. We're having these with supper tonight. And this also had compost mixed in with the soil. And we've been harvesting carrots out of here and other red beets. I do have a video on my channel for how we started this whole thing from working our soil to how we started our seeds to harvesting. Now this does require a lot of water. One of the things I really like about the raised beds or the and the veggie troughs is that it's up where it's like at your level, so you don't have to bend over to try and work your stuff. You can just you know, work with it right at your level, and it really helps to save on bending over. So it's really nice. You can see we still have a lot of stuff in here and a lot of carrots, and we have our lettuce and bok choy here and some petunias here that planted themselves in there. But you can see, look at these red beets here, some nice red beets, and we already harvested some out of here.
Probably be full now.
And they do want freezing tomorrow night, so we'll probably be taking the stuff out of here so we don't lose it. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That tells I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!